Hello everyone, my name is Isaac. You're taking you through Introduction to Computer Basic Practicals. So previously on our third lesson, we learned on how to change the desktop background. Now in this tutorial, which marks our fourth lesson, you're now going to learn on how to create folders. Now when you create a folder, you must name the folder. A folder name should describe the folder and its contents. Now we are going to do it practically. So the first step, you're going to right click once, then on this menu bar you're going to left click on new, then you're going to left click on folder. So immediately a new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop with the name new folder selected in a text box, as you can see here. So the next step, you're going to click on the backspace key and then you're going to name your folder. For instance, I can name mine as microeconomics. Then after I'm through here, I'm going to click on the enter key and then I'll have created this folder. So we can try creating another. So we are seeing that you right click, then you left click on new, then left click on folder, then backspace, then name the folder. For instance, I can name it as macroeconomics. So after I'm through naming this folder, I'm going to click on the enter key. So I have already created this folder. So for instance, if I want to delete this folder here, I'm going to move this pointer until it highlights it. Then I'm going to right click once, then on this menu I'm going to left click on delete. So I'll have already deleted that folder. So for instance, if I want to rename this folder, I'm going to right click also, then come on this menu bar and left click on rename. Then I'm going to click on backspace key. Then I'm going to rename the folder. For instance, I can rename it as video tutorials. And then I'm going to click on the enter key. So I have already renamed that folder. So those are the few steps that you're supposed to follow when you're creating a folder. So basically that marks the end of this lesson, and if you consider this video tutorials helpful to you, consider subscribing. You can also share, comment, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on our new uploads. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.